Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video we're going to learn about how you can use the select command and how you can put the where condition inside that, or how you can filter your data. So let's get started. Now here I make it to example. One is for the select star from this, and this is the table name. So you can put the table name here, and this is the syntax. Then it will show the all the columns or all the data available inside this particular table. If you would like to put the filter, so that you need to add the where condition where employee id is equal to, you can put it the value here which is available inside this column. So that's how you can use it. Let me move it to the lab in the my SQL server database server, and there I can show you the practical how you can do that. So now I logged in into the SQL database server. Here is the option to write a new query. Click here, and this is the drop down. You need to use which data you wanna use it. So I have my table here in the prod db, and let's type the command select star from emp underscore personal. So this is the table I am pulling the data. And now if you want to select the data from inside, suppose you need a selected columns from this table, so what you can do, you can make it a alias for this table. You can put it like a as, and the table name will convert it to in the some temp table. So I can say empp, and now from here you can remove. So if you type the empp dot, it will show you all the columns are available. Suppose I need the first column is a employee id, and then I need a your email id, empp dot email id, and then I need the one more column that is called a technology, how many technology this employee worked. So empp dot the technology, empp dot the technology, I can put it here. I can put the enter so it can looks like good. So now that's how I can select the columns, and let's run. So now I have only the three columns what I have selected from this data. If you seen it, the employee id, email id, and the technology are showing here. Let me do one thing. This is a emp underscore id is not looks good for me. So how can I change that name? I can write it down here a command as, and let me put the name here whatever I need. So it is a empl employee id, and let me do the same things here as this will be a email id, and then let me, oh oops, this I can paste it here, control X and do it here, and then can mention it's for your emp technology. So I am mentioning here as technology name. So now what will happen, this column will rename it. So I renamed this column employee emp underscore id was not looks good for me, so I renamed to the some different column. And the similar way I renamed the employee id and the technology. So now this data is looks good for me. If you want to paste it somewhere this data, what you can do, just select it here, right click, copy, and then you can paste it anywhere wherever you want. Like suppose you need to be pasted on the notepad, so you can paste it on the notepad, or if you want to paste it on the excel, you can do that. Or if you are copy with the header, then it will copy your the headers as well. So see, the headers also came here, and the similar way you can paste it on your the excel also. So now let me show you how you can put the filter over here. Let's go here, and just type the where condition where empl em, id is equal to what I need. I need a 1002 data. So I'm going to put a filter inside this employee ID. So let's execute this command. So now I have employee ID three times it repeated, and it's showing me the technology, its work, its MECM, KQL, KQL, and this is a like a same value here. So that's the data manually I feed. You can put it the filter. Or what you can do, if you want to change this operator, you can put it the like, and here you can remove this and put it the star value, percentage, sorry, put it the percentage value. So it will take all values are like the 100 and ending by it will take right after that value automatically. So it's giving me the all the values. Or if you want to put it the technology filter, what you can do, you can put the column name for the technology. What is the technology is equal to, or if it is not taking, then do one thing, empp dot the technology, and put it here, which technology you want to search it, the value I am searching for the SQL, and we are good. Now execute. So you can filter it out the data how many employees are working on the SQL technology. So SQL technology is working 1001 ID, 1005, 1006, 1006. And if you would like to use the like command, so you can use the like, and here I am just removing and adding the percentage starting. So it will take the ending value by the QL. Let's search this, and now I have the SQL, KQL, QL, SQL, KQL, KQL, and it will search with the that particular value. And in the similar way you can use the other filter also. So if you want to use some more filters, and the empp dot the employee ID should be equal to 1001. So if you would like to search the value who worked on the on this ending by the QL, and the employee ID should be this, if you would like to put the two filters. So just use it. So I don't have anyone here. Oh, sorry, it's the email ID. It's come. I need to put dot empid, and now it will work. So now I have only the one employee, which is 1001, and he's having the SQL technology. So guys, that's how you can put it the filter, can rename the column name and select the data. I will be coming up soon with my the next tutorial to show you guys how you can use the operators. So thank you guys. See you soon in my next video.